Hey, good evening. Today I will be presenting the findings from our latest student performance dashboard. Before we dive into the visuals, let's look at the foundation, which is our dataset. Our analysis is based on the student performance log containing 15 records. It tracks individual students across class 8, 9, and 10 respectively. We are tracking for our four main categories, which are student name, class, subjects, and gender. Success is measured through two primary variables, which are marks and attendance percentage. It is important to note that our current data set shows a relatively healthy student body. We currently have no student categorized as at high risk because marks and attendance remains in the moderate to high range. To make this data actionable, we developed a Power BI dashboard designed for clarity and deep dive analysis. First of all, it is about first of we can talk about visual hierarchy, or you can say visual layout. The dashboard uses a professional high contrast theme to ensure readability. We have organized the layout to prioritize high level KPIs at the top, which are average, marks, and attendance. One of the most powerful features we utilize is the AI Key Influencer Visual. This tool automatically scans the data to identify what actually drives high grades. We have also integrated AI driven summaries that translate complex charts into plain English, helping us quickly identify outliers like Swan Tariq and Fatma Noor. Analysis revealed three distinct patterns that are critical for our academic strategy. The key influencer visual confirmed a direct link. Students with attendance above 85% are significantly more likely to be a high performer. There is a clear relationship between engagement and achievements, as you can see in the dashboard. When we talk about subject variances, we see major differences in how students handle different subjects. For example, in our dashboard, you can see that mathematics subject consistently shows a higher average marks across the board or across all the classes. You can see that science subject, physics, chemistry, and biology shows the most inconsistently with a mix of very high and moderate scores. English performance is moderate, but functionality varies. You can say varies between classes. High performers aren't just good at one thing; they maintain a strong attendance and participate consistently across all their subjects. This is the consistency factor we can consider. While we don't have at high risk student yet, we have identified specific students and subjects that require proactive support. Those groups which needs we attention, I'm identifying those. Class 8 students, specifically Swan Tariq, having 69 marks in English, and Saad Qureshi having 72 marks in physics, both shows a correlation between lower marks and lower attendance. Chemistry student, this subject has the highest variability, with one student excelling while others struggle, suggesting a gap in foundational knowledge. What are our strategic recommendations? Which are we recommend automated alerts to parents if a student attendance drops below 85%. For class 8, we need targeted tutoring in English and physics to close the current performance gap. We should pair high performance students like Fatma Noor, our top performer, having 95 or 91 percentage, or Hina Sheikh with those struggling in science. In summary, our key driver is attendance. By focusing on student engagement and supporting Class 8 English, we can improve our overall education outcomes. Thank you.